channel. As you can see, it's been a while since I've done a video. Making moves, man, making moves. So the C63, told you I left my job to be a car trader. So yeah, instead of having the C63 and mess around, I thought let's try and make some money, get into the Copart game, and buy cars, sell cars, flip them, and just see where we can go. You know I love trading. You know how I did it before we got the F10 M5, got a few cars, flipped them on, got the F10 M5. So yeah, I thought instead of messing around with a C63, kitting up the car, prices of cars have shot up. I actually made money on the C63, so I sold the car. It made perfect sense to do that. And today you see me here on my new adventure. You know me always doing some crazy things. Hope you people have been all well, and thank you for all the people that subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. Ridiculous rebuilds, we're doing it, mate. I'm going to fill you in on everything that we're doing. I picked up a car yesterday. We bought a few cars, so I'll be taking you along with the journey as well, and I'll be showing you exactly what we're going to be doing, guys. So stay tuned. We've got two of our cars just over there in the back. I don't know if you can see the Mini there in the back, and then you got the white one in front. He's going to drive you out in a minute. I'll get some videos of that, and you guys are going to be enjoying what's going on. So yeah, right guys, let's have a look at this bad boy whip. Look at that, 2013 Nissan Juke N-Tec. This is a Cat N. Told you we're off to a good start with this one here, mate. I will show you the other whips that we got as well, but for now, woo, look at that. I'll go through the numbers another time. For now, I just want to pick this car up, get home. In the pictures of the auction, that was missing. It was actually in the boot, so we got a touch on that. The headlight itself, boom, just need to get the bump off and get it professionally repainted as well to match the car. And yeah, it's going to be legit, guys. I mean, honestly, look at the state of this car, Cat N. I will go through the numbers when I get home, you know. Get inside, look at the inside, still filthy as hell. Good, nice interior. Looks like Alcantara, clearly isn't though. But yeah, let's get the key in. Bang. You know what I mean? Got some little sport there. Go eco, we want to get friendly here. All good. Mileage. Come on, boy. Well, start the engine. Oh, there we go. Mileage popped up there for a second. Sounds nice and quiet. Mileage 69,000. So 70,000 a clock you might as well say by the time I get home and drive around for a little bit. Other than that, this car is legit. She's a good little runner, you know. I'm going to enjoy cleaning this up. As you know, I love my detailing. Never show you on camera that I do detailing, but yeah, guys, I actually do detailing. I'm going to love, you're going to see what I'm going to do with this car. You know, you are going to see what I do with this car. Never really liked the Nissan Jukes. I do appreciate what they are, what they do. They look good, but they've never been a car for me. But you know, this one's kind of growing on me. I think it's always a way when you get something that you don't normally like and you get it and you start looking at it when it belongs to you, you recognize, yeah, this actually starts looking nice. So yeah, guys, let's get in. So guys, yeah, this is the car here. This is one of the cars. I already picked up a car yesterday, and all good, everything in the hood. That car drives amazing. I will show you some videos of that car again, but for now I want to get on the road. I'm not going to bother filming. I don't have all my equipment. I wasn't going to actually film this. I just wanted to get these cars home because I'm quite a distance away, and we've got more cars to pick up. So yeah, Nissan Juke, hashtag #1. You guys are going to enjoy this episode, so make sure you hit subscribe. Trust me, I'm going to go through everything, what I pay for them, how much it cost me, even for the petrol, down to the T, and I'm going to show you what I sell them for. Fingers crossed we make some money on these things. So far this car sounds amazing, drives amazing. We still need to hit the roads, and that will be the final tester. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll continue the video when I get back home. Peace.